If you want to slay your brows and go from this to this, well, today's your lucky day, bestie. That's what you're gonna get. So let's get started, shall we? Need a spoolie, a concealer brush, a brow pencil, brow gel, and concealer. Brushing your brows upwards with a spoolie will help you see the natural shape of your brows and identify any areas that need filling. Oh, and don't forget to sharpen your pencil. So to find your starting point, hold a pencil straight up from the dimple of your nose to the inner corner of your eye. The point where the pencil should meet your brow is your ideal starting point. To find the end, keep the pencil angled from your nose and sweep it towards the outer corner of your eye, keeping it angled slightly upwards. The point where the pencil meets your brow is where your brow tail should be. To locate the arch, tilt the pencil diagonally so it angles from the dimple of your nose towards the outer edge of your iris, and the point where the pencil crosses your nose bone is your arch ideal location. And then you connect the dots. Once you have your 3 key points marked with a brow pencil, use light strokes to connect them, creating a soft outline for your perfect brow shape. So once that's done, go back in with your spoolie to buff out the outline. Then you're going to do the same to the top brow, depending on how thick you want your brows to be. And then continue to use light strokes to create a soft outline for your perfect brow shape. So this is optional, but I like to add hair strokes towards the inner corner of the brows for a more realistic appearance. And then when I feel like it's the shade that I like to clean it up a bit with a Q-tip so it's not too dark. And if you're loving the shape and you like the way it looks and the shade of your brows, go ahead and do the other side the same exact way. So now I'm using my brow gel to melt the brow hairs in place. This also gives it a sort of 3D look to it and defines the brow hairs. Once that's done, use the spoolie to sweep all of the hairs into place at the top of the brow. This will make it easier for you to do your concealer later. Now, if you don't have brow gel, hair wax or Eco Styler will do. Okay, so now it's time to apply the concealer to define the shape of the brow. I just apply a little directly onto the brush, and then with light strokes, I start with the tail and stay right under the brow and work my way inwards to the nose. So you really want to get the tail defined, so take all the time you need on this part, really. Once again, use a blending brush to blend in the concealer and you're done. And this is a final look. And if this video helped you, show some love in the comments and I'll see you guys later. Bye!